Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to learn how to cut this beautiful circular design on the dress. If this is something that interests you, kindly watch this video to the end. Make sure you subscribe my channel if you haven't done so. Like this video so that YouTube can recommend my video to other viewers. So let's get right into the video. So here is the fabric I'm using. I'm going to be using two bigger ones and two smaller ones. Okay, so the bigger one I use here is going to be 24 inches in all sides to give me a square shape. Okay, 24 inches. But after I was done, I realized the circle was too big. So if you don't want yours to be too big, you can always reduce the measurement. So when I fold it into four, what I will have there is 12 inches. Okay, so I've gone ahead to iron my stay on the bigger one. Okay, and I'm going to fold it into four and mark it as if I want to cut a circle. Okay, I'm actually cutting a circle, so I'm going to be marking 12 inches all around. So whatever measurement you want to use, if yours will be smaller than 12 inches, just mark it all around here. Okay, now after marking it, I'm going to mark the radius. The radius, you can do any radius of your choice. Okay, the wider the radius, the more gathers you have. So I use 2 inches as the radius. Okay, I'll go ahead and cut it out. So here is the smaller one. I'm going to also mark out the length, and the length of the smaller one is 7 inches, which means all the sides are 14 inches, but when you fold it like this, you have 7 inches. So I'll also mark 2 inches radius that I mark on the bigger one. I'll mark it on the smaller one as well, then go ahead and cut it out. So after cutting it out, I'm going to use this to cut out the small lining. Okay, and after cutting the small lining, I'll also cut out the big lining as well. So the lining does not have the stay, it's only one part that has the stay. So this is another way to cut your lining. Okay, so I'll go ahead now and cut everything out. So I'm going to place this together. Take your crinoline, place it on it, and as you are sewing, you should also be sewing your hemming gun with it, so that when you are done and you iron it together, it will stay flat together. So right here, I've stitched both the smaller and the bigger one, and I've ironed them flat and also secure them together around. So the next thing is to take your needle and thread, because this is very thick. You can't use your machine guard. So I'm going to use my hand needle to start taking the gathers now. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. This is how you're going to do it till you are done. Okay, so once you are done with the gathers, just take both end of the thread. You're going to tie both end of the thread so that you can use it to secure the gathers. So this is what I have. You should have something like this. Just watch what I'm doing. After you've done the gathers together, just tie the rope to secure. So I'm done tying it, and this is what I have after tying it. You can see how beautiful this looks now. So you can take any trimmings of your choice and attach it to the middle of this design. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please consider to like my video so that YouTube can recommend my video to other viewers. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, so that you can get notification when I post new video. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.